I've got some very exciting news. We've just done a partnership with Iyarn, which is a software program that helps measure young people's mental health through a wheel of life. So every single student in our green room from now on will be offered to check in, which basically means that they'll be able to rank themselves out of 10 through Iyarn on various aspects of their mental health. So what are their stress levels like? How anxious are they on a scale of 1 to 10 right now? What are their friendships at school like? What's their education like at school? And over the course of a term and over a year, we'll be able to see the data of all our students' check-ins, and we'll be able to identify what the key relevant issues are and the conversations, most importantly, we need to have with young people. This is a very innovative and forward-thinking way to be able to better serve our families and young people through a data-driven platform. So make sure you get all the information from the Green Room team, and we can't wait to be able to see how this impacts our community. Stay tuned.